Yukon High-Speed Railway is an important part of the Beijing-Kunming corridor in China's 8 vertical and 8 horizontal high-speed railroad network, and is the second high-speed corridor in the Chengdu-Chongqing area with a total length of about 698.96 kilometers. In order to accelerate the construction of the project, Yukon adhere to the quality and safety as the core to for support, as a means of high-quality construction of high-quality intelligent green humanities. Railroad projects efficiently build a new model of high-speed rail construction in the West. China Railway, 5th Bureau, as a key member of China Railway, which is one of the top 50 of the world's top 500 companies, was the first in China to adopt large-scale mechanized equipment in the construction of the Chengdu-Chongqing Expressway near Hengguang in the 1980s, and then it was applied to promote the application of the construction of a number of railroads and highways in the country. It is rich in large-scale machine construction experience. At present, the steel arch installation in domestic tunnel construction mainly adopts the construction method of installing the arch by combining the simple platform with manual labor, and the number of workers is large, and the labor intensity is large, and the construction efficiency is low, and the safety risk is high. For this reason, our department has studied the market research economy and communicated with the manufacturer to participate in the relevant functional transformation and upgrading, and finally introduced the Kodak Intelligent KGM12300 arch frame trolley. It has the advantage of strong climbing ability, 4-wheel steering, small turning radius, and good mobility. It is suitable for the installation of the arch in the construction method of tunnel full section steps, and so on. The industry can realize the installation of 2 or 3 steel arches at a time. Installation steps. First step, arch assembly. The steel arch is centrally processed and distributed to the site by the steel structure factory to carry out the assembly of 2 or 3 arch products on the special arch assembly pedestal at the cave entrance. The second step of the steel frame transportation of both sides of the lower part of the unit steel frame in advance to the seat surface of the arch frame installation machine will be the arch part of the unit steel frame with the car to the seat surface. Step 3. Installation of the arch unit, steel frame. Through the main arm of the equipment will arch part of the steel arch bracket, lifting vault equipment, infrared centering measurement of the sampling points for high bearing in the center of the limit of the rough leveling positioning after grabbing and fixing. Installation and connection of the lower 2 steel arches. Step 4. Installation of the lower 2 sides of the unit, steel frame. Adjustment of the auxiliary arms on both sides is controlled by the working platform using the arch lifting device to install the lower combined arch for the connection and fastening of the steel frame joints. Step 5. Steel frame locking. According to the sampling point, operator adjusts the angle and position of the arch again. Infrared alignment, calibration, accurate positioning, after locking the foot anchor, fixed arch welding longitudinal connecting reinforcement, and reinforcing steel mesh overlap section. Step 6. Complete the arch installation and exit the work surface. Retracting the ledge to exit the work surface after arch installation is complete. Compared with the traditional manual erection, efficacy is particularly outstanding. Full section, steel frame erection, single cycle time of 6 to 7 hours, arch installation period of 1 hour or less. Traditional manual erection workers, 11 to 13 people. Arch installation machine only needs 6 people. Traditional manual installation of new sections of unit steel frame using arch installation machine can optimize the length of the steel frame unit, adjusted to 3 sections of significant savings in erection time per product cost savings of Bill 310. Steel arch reinforcement mesh, longitudinal connecting bars, etc. in the steel structure processing plant hole in advance of the production and combination of installation as far as possible to put the process outside the hole and the factory to reduce the time of operation in the hole to achieve factory mechanization efforts to enhance the intelligence. From purely manual to mechanization, and then from mechanization to factory plus mechanization, and then to explore factory plus mechanization plus intelligent China Railway Bureau always adhere to the science and technology as the leader and constantly innovate technology and engineering method to promote the construction of Yukon high-speed rail safely, high quality, and efficiently.